Hello guys, welcome to my channel Easy2Intone, and I'm back with another exciting video. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about 5 Android apps which will let you have a chance to get smarter among your friends and help you to show your creativity to them. The first app we have on the list is Smartphone Specification. The app download link is in the description below. You can download and install it from there. This app contains all the details of the smartphone which is available in the market right now. The app has simple and unique interface and easy to understand and easy to use. Just type the model number of the phone that you want to search in the search bar and it will show you the result of the particular smartphone. Simply click on it and there you are. You have all the details of the smartphone. You can also simply search manually by clicking on the brand's name and it will do the same thing. Let's move forward to the next Android application we have in the list is What the Font. This app has a unique style of feature. It can help you to identify the fonts. Simply click a photo with your camera which has some text written on it, or simply go to your gallery and select a photo like this, and it will automatically detect text and highlight the area, and select the highlighted area and hit the blue button and it will start processing. Once it done, it will show you the result with the bunch of fonts. You can find your ideal match or simply select another font like this and the next app we have in the list is Wall of Fame. Wall of Fame is a collection of HD quality wallpapers. As you can see, there are randomly selected wallpapers. If you want to select wallpaper by category, simply slide the menu and now you can see the categories. My favorite categories is emerald wall. You can choose your category by yourself, but I strongly recommended it because in this category there are lots of cool wallpapers like Batman, Wolverine, Crazy Girl, and this wallpaper is applied on my own screen. If you want to apply this, then select the apply button, and if you want to apply on the lock screen, then select the lock screen button, and if you want to apply it on home screen, then select the home screen button. You can also download the wallpaper. Just simply click on the download button and apply the allow button, and now your wallpaper has been downloaded. You can also select it for your future reference. It has many categories like anime, dope, earth, green. You can select your whatever desired wallpaper. I hope you will guys like it. The third app we have in the list is Febby. Febby is a selfie maker Android app. You can create and customize your selfie by using the app. Simply click a photo from your camera or go to your gallery and select a photo which you want to enhance. If you want to crop, then crop it. And now we are ready to use the app. If you want to blur your background, then simply blur it. Select the options like this. If you want to blur more background like this, then select the third one. If you don't, then select the one like this, or select the middle one. Yeah, it's cool. Or if you don't want to blur it, then slightly slide to the left to check out the new function of it, the fun. Yeah, it is awesome. You can select other option like this. It is randomly select and make selfies for you like this. Yeah, it is very cool app for those who doesn't know anything about photo editing. I will recommend it for you. I hope you guys will like it. Let's move forward to the last Android app we have in the list is Temporary Mail. It allows user to have an email account for free for a short period of time. With this Android app, you can save your email address from spamming, hacking, etc. It is totally free and easy to use. Use this email address if you don't want to share your email address to anybody. You can do whatever you do in an ordinary email, like receiving emails, attachments, verify email, but only short period of time. It will automatically deleted after 10 minutes. So be careful when you are using this. Let me give you a short demo so that you can understand what I'm trying to say. So let's get started.